Hi guys, it's Tonya M and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig review brought to you by Luvme Hair. Thank you for sending over this wig. I love opening their packages. It's like opening a present every time, and you're going to get a bunch of goodies in your package. So once you open, you're going to get a lovely message. You're going to get your wig, of course. In this box, I got a wig, like a storage bag. You're also going to get a gripping wig band. This is essential for full cap units so they don't slip and slide. You're going to get a lace melting band, an edge comb, and then a wig cap. And you're also going to get the user guide so you'll know how to take care of your unit. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. She is a 10-inch bob bang unit. Very cute. You look how she's cut. She's already cut and styled. Of course, she's a little like crimped a little bit from traveling, package and traveling. It has the lace center part, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable band on the inside, and the adjustable straps. So you see I added that wig band, right? Again, that is essential so your wig does not slip. Watch how easy this is to like throw on and go, okay? Plop her on, straighten her out. Look at that. You see those little crimps or dents? That's just from it being packaged. But what you're going to do is just get your flat iron, put it on a good temperature. I think I did 390. And you're going to see what I do. So yeah, as you can see, I'm showing you the lace parting. It looks so natural. This lace parting takes this wig up another notch. So nobody's going to assume. They're going to think it's a nice like closure sew-in. You're just gonna like gently or quickly run the flat iron through the hair just to smooth out those dents and just brush her out. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Also hit the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Don't forget to also follow me on TikTok and Instagram where I post reels and photos of me in the hair. And if you want to purchase any of the wigs that I have reviewed so far, not all of them, but some of them, go to my tonyam.bigcartel website. I have some of those wigs there ready for you to purchase, ready for a new home. I also sell real 100% real mink lashes. Said that twice. But if you're looking for mink lashes, lash strips to complete your look, go to my website. It's 1111beauty.bigcartel.com. I'll also put the Instagram link there too so you could check her out. But yeah, look at how easy it was for me to do this unit. You know there'll be some discounts in the description box, as well as the link to purchase this wig and the price. Look at that. So much bounce. Hi guys, I'm back. Thank you for watching that super easy install. I love Luvme Hair for that. They provide the best looking wigs and the easiest install. If you're a beginner, you want a nice cut, and just go to Luvme, okay? This is a 10-inch bang bob, and it was so easy to install. As you can see, it comes with the lace part right here, so it makes it look really realistic. The cut is perfect. I didn't have to like trim the bangs to fit my face. The tools that they provide for you, like that the wig band that I just applied, when you saw that keeps your wig in place, so no sliding, nothing. Plus there's extra security. Like, this wig is super flawless. I'm surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm surprised that I'm not surprised, because Luvme always provides like quality hair, quality wigs, and it has so much movement. Like, it's really great quality hair. Like, it's not cheap hair at all. So the price for the wig and the links to purchase will be down in the description box, and any codes, of course, be down in the description box. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, oh yeah, this is, as far as the only question I really answered is like, is it big head friendly? Yeah, and of course you can adjust it to fit your small bean head like me, and it fits perfectly. So go ahead and get this, girl. This is great for summer. It's a throw on and go if you are a busy woman, if you're a mom, if you like to wake up like the last 30 minutes before you gotta leave the house to go to work. This is an easy throw on and go wig. Girl, get you one. Bye.